So a long time ago, so there lived a happy family. Imagine happy family. So the family had 4 members. Okay, so na-imagine nyo na may 4 ka membros ang pamilya. 1 father, 1 mother, and 2 sisters. So the 2 sisters were like best friends. Okay, though best friends lang duwa. However, both of them had a few different traits. Kaya kumbaga ang isa ya mo niya mga traits, ang isa daw lain man niya. Okay, so while Bella, okay ngalan sang isa si Bella, the eldest sister, was an energetic and outspoken nga girl. Okay, ang magulang si Bella, daw ka-outspoken ni saya, daw energetic. And si Betty naman niya, si Betty, the younger sister, was a calm and one who used to spend most of her time with her mom. So si Bella, siya niya ang magulang, love stray animals and would feed them whenever may chance nga i-feed. Okay, kung may chance lang gid nga maka-feed sa mga stray nga mga animals, may makita sa gina-feed yan na. But si Betty naman niya, okay, si Betty on the other hand used to get scared of dogs and hindi gid siya namian sa mga dogs. She never liked them. Hindi siya namian. Amo ni siya si Betty. So one fine day, when Bella was playing outside her house, gampang siya, she saw a little dog. She saw a little dog on the road, nakita iya, and it was cute. Ka-cute sang ido Cute pa sa imo. It was cute little dog, little Labrador, all alone. And the dog was shaking, gakurog-kurog. The dog was shaking in the middle of the road as the owner had left him alone. So ginabandon. So Bella nasensya nga ang dog ginakulbaan. So Bella sensed his pain. Nabat siya ganyang pain sang ido. So ambal ni Bella, oh my goodness, oh my dear, oh my poor little dog. What a cute and sad dog. Yeah, what a cute and sad dog. So na-feel niya So ambal niya, I must help him. Kinanglang buligan ko siya. So she picked the dog. And gingkwa niya, she picked up the dog and brought it to her home. Indalaya sa ilabalay. So Bella called out to her parents. Niya, Mom, Dad, Nay, Tay, please, tanawan niyo bla. Look, what? Tanawan niyo ako na nung indala ko. Okay, so Betty did not like the dogs. Ang isaya, hindi yan namian sa ido. So hambal ni Bella, Mom, Dad, tanawan nyo ang gindala ko. So si Betty, isang nakita yan when she saw the dog in the house, she started shouting. Singgit sa. She started shouting at her sister. Yak, ano naman, ano yak. So after hearing the voices, nga syagit gid saya, si Betty, amo ni siyang hindi na namian sang mga animals. Okay, sangga syagit gid siya. The mother rushed towards the girls and said, "Dambalan sa ilang nanay, niya, sweetheart, why did you bring this dog into the house?" Ginabalan si Bella. Nga gidala mo ding ido sa balay. So anong sabat ni Bella? Bella replied, Mom, the dog was alone on the road. And the dog was shaking. And the owner must have left him there willingly. Daw ginungod gini saya bilin, daw abandon gini saya hungod. So I couldn't see him all sad. Hindi ko kabatas. I couldn't see him all sad. Hindi ko kabatas, hindi ko siya kwaon. So I brought him home with me. So the mother listened carefully. So Bella continued. Padayon siya. Can he stay with us, Mom? Please, can he stay with us? So the mother, after hearing this, the mother smiled and agreed. Ano hambal ni nanay? Okay, sure, no problem. Okay, and then, however, si Betty naman siya niyang hindi na namian sa mga sapat. Si Betty was not happy with this decision. Hindi siya namian sa hindi nga decision. So when her father came home, in the evening from work, nagabot ng tatay. She told him to take the dog away. And nabal niya, Dad! Waan na diya, pakwa na di. Yung bala niya nga daddy. So Betty was really scared of dogs and did not want one in her home. Hindi siya gusto. So when her father tried to make Betty understand about the poor little dog, ginistorya sa sang tatay, gipainchindi sa, she refused to listen to any of it. Why gidya? Gina-explain ka tatay nga hindi dapat atipan nun tani kaluluoy sang ido pero wala na, sarado na yung mind niya. She refused to listen to any of it ang ginambal sang tatay. So it was almost bedtime na. And after a delicious dinner, everybody went to bed. So the mother, nginimo sang nanay, she tied the dog, ginigtan niya. She tied the Labrador. As Betty, kikabalo siya, was scared of him, so ginigtan niya. So everyone fell asleep na except for the dog. So linong ng tanan except sang dog. So the poor little Labrador, the poor little dog was crying. Was crying because maybe he was missing his owner. Na-miss siya gurong tag-iya, na-miss siya gapon, nga misan gin abandon siya, pero na-miss siya man japon. So mo na gurong gaybi isa. So si Betty ignored his crying for some time, but she could not resist it anymore. Amo ni si Betty ang hindi na namian sa ido. So una-una gin-ignore yaman, but this time she could not resist it anymore. Why is the dog crying? Ano niya nga gaybi ni saman. So she silently went to the dog. Hinahinay lang, gintiid yung ido. Or she went to the dog to see why he was crying. Gintiid niya, gintanaw niya. So ginpalapitan niya yung ido. So when she came closer to the dog, palapitan niya. Lapit na lang siya sa ido. Kay gaybing ido mo. Palapitan niya ng ido mo, no? So pagkita sa isang ido, the dog stopped barking or crying. So he did not bark at her. Why man siya gintagol? Instead, the little dog, the Labrador, stopped crying and started looking at her. Ginatanaw siya, looking at her with love. So staring at her with love. So when Betty reluctantly touched him, si Betty, he licked her. Doon na namian siya, dilap-dilapan niya ang kamot. So Betty liked this, na namian man si Betty, and she felt comfortable around the dog. So doon namian man si Betty nga hindi siya taniin na namian sa mga sapat pero sang gindilap-dilapan niya nga hands. Okay, she felt comfortable around with the dog and ambalya, dear little dog, you are very cute. Ambalya, you are so cute and I like you. So the mother and the father, atuto gali, and Bella were quietly, hipos lang they were quietly looking at Bella and the little dog. Ara sila gali sa likod. So ara sila behind the door, gapanago sila, gapalipod. And they pretended to see and hear nothing. Okay, nagpawala lang silang why sila may nabatian, why sila may nakitaan. So the next morning, si Betty came to Bella. Amo ni si Betty daw hindi siya namian sa sapat. So gingkatuan niya si Bella, iya magulang, and said, I have decided on a cute name for my dog. Amo na balya. You see, I decided a cute name for my dog. My dog na kuno. It will be Sophia. Gusto ko siya tawagon si Sophia. To this, si Bella replied, ano hambal ni Bella, ang magulang, ano lang niya, your dog? Imo ido? Are you sure? Imo ido? It's our dog. Ato na ido. So, amo na hambal ni Bella. So, I love the name. So, hambal ni Bella saya, I love the name. Sophia. It's cute. So, Betty felt happy and immediately, kay tungod happy na si Betty, immediately hug her sister. So ginhako siya nga sister. So Bella hugged her back also. So the father and mother were happy to announce a new member of the family. So from that day, Sophia became best friends with Bella and Betty. best friends na sa. So the bond of sister also strengthened. Kaya nga, the same ng ilang likes mo, may pareho ng ilang ginabisihan, so nagnaming relationships ang mag-utod. Okay, nangin loving na gid sila, so they had a lot of fun together. So nag-close ang relationship nila. So they sleep together, play together, eat together, and most of the activities together. Why nagakanya-kanya mag-utod kay isa ng ilang focus? So nagnaming relationship nila. Amo na kanami ang dalasang sapat sila. And most of all, they loved each other. Nagpalanggaanay pag sila. And that's the end of the story.
Wow.
So if you like the story tonight, I want you to react sa story ta tonight. So it's nami, the story ta tonight. Kung tanawon ta, the moral of the story is that one should always be kind. O hindi lang sa let's be kind. And let's be emphatic, kumbaga. Let's practice empathy towards others. Kaya nga, compassion and kind-hearted behavior, kabalugi tayo, always bring out the best in people. Always bring out the best in people. As we can see in the story, kung nakita mo sa story, kung nabatian mo sa story tonight, si Betty was earlier scared of dogs. Diba? Hate yang sapat si Betty because she never interacted with the dogs. And gapaminsar sa and thought that they would hurt her. Amo nang iyang mindset. But once she gave Sophia the dog a chance, she realized that they were not vicious or hindi man gali pintas ang ido, hindi man gali sapat-sapaton or tunto or mga gatged. Based na sa experience niya, ay buot galing sapat. So they also want love and care man gali. Hindi gali amuning ginapamansar ko sa sapat. Kay ang sapat gali gusto man nila love and care. And I think another moral ng story tonight is that I think we should be kind to animals. Sapat lang na, mambal ka sapat lang na, let's be kind to animals. We should never hurt or provide them with any discomfort. Even though animals can speak like humans, hindi man na sila kambal, they experience emotions like people. May balatyagon man na sila, gabatsyag man na sila, pareho tang mga tao. And therefore, they should also be treated with respect. Whether pet mo na or ido man na bisakalye, dapat i-treat na sila with respect and with love. Hindi na basta-basta i-abandon mo lang. Ibilin mo lang da sa kundiin da. Ibilin mo lang da nga masakay ka sa ito mo nga Hilux. Kag ibilin mo lang da, iwigit mo lang da, ano kaklase nga tao. Ibilin mo lang da sa somewhere there sa may barangay Mansilingan. Amo na amo ka na klase nga tao. So that's my story tonight. So if you like the story tonight, I want you to react and send it now sa text line. Padala nyo lang reaction nyo 0912-718-7011.